A blizzard warning has been issued for areas adjacent to the shores of Lake Huron, extending to the northwest of London, except for the City of London, although the city itself can expect significantly reduced visibility in blowing snow. Now, conditions are expected to occur and deteriorate Friday afternoon through the overnight into Saturday morning, near zero visibility and snow and blowing snow, locally 15 to 20 centimeters of snowfall, and gusts 80 kilometers per hour. Now, other areas of southern Ontario also dealing with adverse weather conditions with the frontal system moving through. That frontal squall producing very strong winds through the evening and overnight, blowing snow, reducing visibility, and bursts of whiteout conditions for us through the evening across parts of southern Ontario and the GTA. Now, behind that cold front, expect temperatures to plunge drastically. Wind chills overnight Friday into Saturday morning, and again on Sunday morning, expected to be into the -30s.